Hi. Have you ever enjoyed a story so much that you wanted to tell someone else about it? This week, we're going to be talking about different tools you can use to help you retell a story or tell someone else a story that you've just heard. We just listened to Rosie's Walk, and we talked about how the author, Pat Hutchins, used pictures to tell most of her story. And that's what you can do too. You can draw pictures to help you retell a story to someone else. So, for this, you're going to need paper and something to draw with. I picked a pencil and then I traced over my pencil with a marker so you could see it a lot easier. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold our paper. So I'm going to fold down some at the top and I'm going to fold up some at the bottom. And so when I unfold it, I have three sections. It's kind of hard for you to see. I have the top, the middle, and the bottom. And I don't know if you noticed, but the top and the bottom are a lot smaller than the middle part because in a story, most of what happens in the story happens in the middle. So can you remember what was the first thing that happened in our story? Rosie went for a walk. So I drew a picture of Rosie leaving her hen house. Then what happened at the end of the story? Rosie got back in time for supper, remember? So I drew a picture of Rosie coming back to her hen house. What happened in between? Lots of things happened in between that I could put in this part. I specifically remembered the haystack, the pond, and the bees, and of course the fox. So I put those in the middle of my page. Let me show you what I did. The beginning of the story, things that happened in the middle of the story, and then things that happened at the end of the story. Now, I'm ready to take this and go retell my story. After you draw your picture, show it to someone in your house and retell them the story, Rosie's Walk.